Welcome to SRITHAI Thai Kitchen and Sushi Bar. Let's take a journey through our restaurant and explore the beauty of Thai design. As you step inside, you are greeted by our waiting area. Surrounded by captivating Thai murals adorning the walls, it's a glimpse into the rich artistic and traditional heritage of Thailand. Look, the wall in the right corner is adorned with photographs. These snapshots capture the joyous moments of patrons, showcasing the lively atmosphere of restaurant during dining and party events. Along this side, we have our vibrant bar area. You can order drinks and sushi. This is also the bar area. The space is more spacious, and the bar stools are quite attractive. Let's take a closer look at the dining area. You can see these beautiful tables and professionally produced solid wood chairs. Ever wondered how these beautiful pieces are made? Each chair is carefully crafted, ensuring both comfort and style. The main dining area boasts a spacious layout, providing ample room for our guests to enjoy their meals comfortably. To the right of the bar, a photo wall captures the essence of Thailand's culture and scenery. 4 captivating images draw your attention, transporting you to the heart of this beautiful country. Finally, this side is cozy booth seating. These intimate spaces offer privacy while allowing guests to enjoy the lively ambience of the restaurant. SRITHAI Restaurant, where the charm of Thailand is not just in our cuisine, but in every corner of our restaurant. We invite you to immerse yourself in the beauty of Thailand while savoring the flavors of our authentic dishes. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey.